So I guess today is the perfect day to install fresh new wiper blades. So this is the Rapid B. Got it off of Amazon. I have a link in the description. If you make a purchase, I may receive a small commission. So this is a genuine original equipment replacement for my Crown Victoria 2011 Police Interceptor. And it was real easy to match it up to what my car needs on Amazon. And I'm sure your car will match up easily as well. And let's take a look. And it looks like we go through here. We get the hook around, we clip it in, it's clipped in. Close that seal, and bam. Now we'll remove the protective cover from the actual blade, and that's installed as quick as that. So basically, you pinch here, lift up the cover, expose this part, which moves a little bit. Then you slide the hook, J-hook, through this hole, and then back down, locks in, and close this. Pretty simple. That's why I like working on simple cars, and that's it. I mean, you could change these in the middle of a storm. Let's put off the protective cover. This is what I like simple design. It's nothing complicated. So they shape to the window nicely. This is one of the benefits I feel of the blade, and it's a cleaner look. So here are the blades. I splashed some water. You can see beading, and this is pretty clean windshield. It was cleaned before the rain in a regular car wash. So they're gonna swipe down as soon as I put the ignition on. So let's see how it looks. Now let's get it to swipe more. Okay, that cleaned up very nicely. Very nicely. 2 swipes. So that's nice swiping, no shuddering. Of course, you expect it's like squeegee clean. Does a great job. I'm happy with the purchase and the quality, ease of installation, ease of looking up the right wipers for your car. Good upgrade and good maintenance, original equipment style, doesn't break the bank.